All right, boys and girls, today we are going to be talking about nouns. Do you know what a noun is? Okay, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Let's take a look at some examples of nouns. So look, I have people, I have places, and I have things. So let's take a look at our first type of noun, which is a person or people. So a person can be a noun. It could be your grandma, your grandpa, your parents, your brother, your sister, you are all nouns. Even a king or a queen would be considered a noun. Or a garbage man, or someone who works for the city. Even a doctor or a nurse. A person can be a noun. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So let's look at some other examples. Let's look at some examples for places. A hospital is considered a noun. A school, like a place when we come to school, that could be a noun. A hospital or a medical center is a noun. Even a castle can be considered a noun. A person, a place, or a thing. Let's look at some examples of things that could be nouns. Popcorn or food. Food is considered or called a thing. That could be a noun. And a car. Cars are nouns. Toy cars, real cars. Just think about it. Those are nouns. A camera is a noun. So the objects, things that we use like pens, pencils, markers, crayons, books are nouns. People, places, and things can be nouns. Good writers use nouns in their writing. So when I mentioned that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing, when we're writing, we write about a person, we write about a place or a thing, and those are called nouns. So, for example, I'm a noun, so I'm going to put a sticky note on my head to show that I'm a noun. This book is a noun. I'm going to label it and call it a noun. My marker could be a noun. I could label that and call it a noun. Our classroom, since it's a place, can be called a noun. So what I want you to do today is you are going to go on a noun hunt through your home. I want you to find things, find a person, find a place, like a room. It could be a room, it could be your kitchen, you could be outside in the yard. And I want you to find a thing that you can label as a noun. And I will show. Okay, just like I was telling you before, what I want you to do is we are going to be noun detectives. So you have to find something that is a person and take a picture of it. So that means you could take a picture of yourself, you could take a picture of your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your brother, your sister. But you've got to take a picture of a person. Then you have to take a picture of a place. So somewhere that you can go, like a bedroom, a kitchen, a living room, or even outside in your front yard. And then you're going to take a picture or draw a picture of a thing. So find something that you could show me, like a toy, or maybe one of our books. That is called a thing. So you are going to find those nouns inside of your home. Remember, a noun is a person, a place, and or a thing. And it also can be an animal. So, I'm a noun, you're a noun, we're all nouns.